Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today we are discussing about logic, chapter 8. So the questions are logical questions. So they look quite difficult compared to other chapters, but actually believe me, these are all easy questions. You just need little bit consistency. So yeah, so let's take our first question. The places of birth of Sydney and Eleanor and Daisy are Indonesia, Thailand, and Brunei, but not necessarily in that order. Means each born in different countries, but not in the same country. And three people are there, three countries are there. Okay. Cindy has never been to Indonesia. So here we got few clues. Eleanor was not born in Indonesia. Eleanor was not born in Brunei. Okay, so whenever you are doing logical questions, try to draw the table so it makes our journey easy. Okay, so now let's analyze the data and try to use this table to get the answer. So what he's saying, so three people are there, three different countries, and we got some clues. So let's put that clues here in the table. City has never born to Indonesia, means he didn't go Indonesia. Okay, so wrong. Alina was not born in Indonesia. So Alina was not born in Indonesia. Here also that column also goes wrong. Okay, next one more is Alinar was not born in Brunei also, means there is only one option for Alinar, so that is Thailand, because he was not born in Indonesia and was not born in Brunei, so leftover is Thailand. So if Alinar got Thailand, means nobody will be in Thailand, remaining two persons, because all are born in different countries. Okay, so we don't have option for Cindy. We don't have Indonesia option and Thailand also, because Eleanor born in Thailand, so he won't be in Thailand. So the leftover option for Cindy is Brunei. Okay, so Cindy born in Brunei with the help of these clues, and then so we have Brunei and Thailand is done. So leftover is Indonesia. So that's for Dicey. Okay, so the last option for Dicey is Indonesia, because all are born in different countries. Three people are there and three countries are there. Okay, so that's how you need to solve this logical question. So try to use the table, it makes our journey easy. Three people are there, three different countries are there. So with the help of these clues, so we try to sort out who born in which country. So initially it looks very hard, but once you know how to solve, so then it would be very easy for you to get the solution from this type of logical questions. Okay, so with the help of clues, we first rule out the Elena born in Thailand, because the clues were like he didn't born in Indonesia and Brunei, and then we trace out the remaining two persons birthplaces. Okay, so let's proceed to our next question. So whatever it may be, the questions we must solve with the help of tables. We need to read the data, analyze the data, and see the clues, and then sort out the things. Okay, so let's proceed. Next question. Jolene, Charlie, and Nutella were classmates. One of them cleaned up the classroom one day while there was nobody around. Below were their replies when the teacher questioned about the who cleaned the classroom. Okay, so here is the data and here are the clues. What happened? One day while there was nobody, it's very hard to see the data. I think I need to keep more closer camera. Okay, so Jolene said Chole cleaned our classroom. Charlie said I didn't do it. Natala, neither did I. If one of them was telling the truth, find out who cleaned up the classroom. Okay, so here we need to find out who cleaned up the classroom. So the clues are only if one of them telling truth. Okay, so then what we will do, we'll draw the tables with the truths and lies. So we'll try to use our clues and sort out. So we should get only one true, remaining two persons are lying. Okay, we need to find out that one. So here we will do guess. First we will see that Jolene cleaned up the room. Okay, so actually she or he did it. So then we need to see who is telling the truth according to this assumption. Okay, so first let's see the first one, what Jolene is saying. Charlie cleaned the room. Okay, no. So actually who cleaned up the room? We are thinking that Jolene cleaned up the room means she is telling the lie. So what we need to do? We need to put the tick mark in lies column. Okay, because it's not true. And Charlie, I didn't do it. So of course she is telling truth because she didn't do it. Who did it? Jolene did it. Okay, so put as a true. Next, Natala, neither did I. Okay, so she is also telling truth. So when we think that Jolene is cleaned up the room, we are getting the two truth and one lie, which is not it's contradicting to our statement that he told that one of them was telling the truth. Only one lie should be, one true should be there, two lies should be there. But here we are getting two truths, one lie, which is contradicting to our question. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we will think that Charlie did the cleaning up the room. She clean up the room. Okay, so let's our next option, we will assume that so Charlie did the cleanup. Okay, and we will analyze our clues. So here who clean up the room? Charlie. And then so now let's see about Jolene and Natella. Jolene, Charlie cleaned up the classroom. Yes, she is telling the truth, Jolene, because she only the cleaned up the room. And then Charlie, I didn't do it means she is telling true lies. Okay, and then Natala, neither did I. She is telling truth because Charlie did it, so she is saying I didn't do it. So this she is also telling truth. So here also we got the two truths, one lie, which is contradicting to our question. So next we will go to the next guess. So that is Natala clean up the room. So Natala clean up the room. Then let's analyze the data that he has given. Jolene say that Charlie clean up the room, which is not true. So we will put in the lies column, tick mark. Okay, so the first one is false, which is lie. And second, Charlie, I didn't do it. She's telling true because she didn't do it. Okay, who did it? Natala did it, so she didn't do it. She is telling truth. So put Charlie tick mark. And Natala, neither did I. She is telling lies. Okay, because she is the one who did it. Okay, so here is the tick mark. So in this pattern, so we have two lies and one truth, which is same as our question. Okay, if one of them telling the truth means who is telling the truth? So Charlie is telling the truth. No, yeah, Charlie is telling the truth. Remaining Jolene and Natala are saying lies. Okay, so who clean up the room? Natala clean up the room. Very tricky, right? But believe me, keep on doing, believe the process. So definitely you can do it very easily. So but that's how you can solve these logic questions. Anyway, we are going to take a lot of questions in this chapter because initially it little bit difficult, so when you are processing logic questions, but when you keep on practicing, definitely you can do it. So that's all about for today's class. So if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment box. So keep practicing. So if you didn't get it any of these questions, so try to look at the video one more time. So I hope you will get it each and every point whatever I said it here. Okay, so try to do more questions on logical this chapter. Okay, so that you will be like so confident when you are attempting these questions in the examination. So that's it for today's class, and then we'll see you in the next class. So if you have any doubts or clarifications, do let me know in the comment box. So I'll try to do more questions in this chapter. So that's it for today's class. We'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.